Hey, what's up? Welcome to Clarity Minute, where I'm going to help you become a better leader just a minute at a time. Listen, I think this is the most expensive sentence in business. It's faster if I do it myself, right? Have you been guilty of saying that before? I think it becomes one of the greatest, I think, cut, sorry. Hey, welcome to the Clarity Minute, where I'm going to help you with 1 minute at a time become a better leader over time. So, have you been guilty of saying one of the most expensive sentences in business? Here it is. It's faster if I do it myself, right? Every entrepreneur has said this. Every entrepreneur believes this. And every entrepreneur is somehow paying for this. What is the most expensive piece of your business? It's you. It's your time, my friend. It's not the lost customer. It's isn't the missed deadline. It's the fact that you think that you can just do it faster yourself. Every entrepreneur has said those words, including me. We've believed it, we've done it, we've executed on it. And while that may be true today, it's quietly stealing your tomorrow, okay? Let's be honest. Teaching someone else, it takes time. Creating an SOP, it takes time. It takes effort, intentionality. It probably takes more time than you think it does. Recording a training video, it takes time. Delegating, it takes time. So naturally, you just think, listen, I'll just handle it. The problem is that you say the exact same thing next week, next month, and next year, and you do that over 5 or 10 different processes, ideas, uh, tendencies, whatever. Imagine a task takes you about 20 minutes. Teaching someone else is going to take you 2 hours. Oh gosh. Most entrepreneurs, they stop right there. But let's do the math. If that task happens twice a week, that's 34 hours a year you're spent on those little 20-minute tasks. Suddenly, that 2-hour investment doesn't quite look as expensive as it did before. Doing the task yourself isn't saving time, it's actually borrowing against your future. And do you want to calculate like how much interest you're paying on that borrowed time? You probably don't. Owners ask this question, hey, what's faster? Leaders ask, what's scalable? Those are completely different questions. They're completely different mindsets. If the business is always going to depend on you, then the business is going to stop growing as soon as you do. So this week, you've already got that notebook I told you about last time we met. The notebook, write down the questions that people ask. This week, write down when you say, "Hey, I'll just handle that. I'm going to handle that." At the end of the week, pick up one of those tasks, document it, teach it, and delegate it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to begin. I've said this before. I love this. Dirty action is better than perfect execution. In other words, if you don't train it perfect, at least you've trained it and you can adjust as you go. But if you haven't trained it, you'll continue to be frustrated because they keep coming back to you asking the same questions. You don't buy back your time by becoming faster. You buy back your time by making yourself less necessary. That, my friend, is leadership. Hey, if you'd like help identifying what you should stop doing first, this is one of my favorite coaching sessions that I do in my next level entrepreneur coaching course. I guess you could call it. I don't know. It's called the Next Level Entrepreneur. And one of the very first things we do is we analyze what are the things that you need to stop doing right now. I've created a free workbook that you can analyze this on your own. You don't need me to do it. You can just grab this tool, download it, analyze through it together with yourself, set yourself a meeting and navigate through this inside some of the same delegation exercises I walk through my coaching clients with as we begin creating more freedom in their time, and more freedom is going to mean more profitability for you. So the link is below and I hope it blesses you. Let me know how it goes, man.